The world's most famous house is this Kiwi House in New Zealand, built from 12 shipping containers. Guess what? The house was on the market for over 16 months and it sold on the last day of July 2025 for $2 million. This house is one of the largest shipping container residential projects in the world. The house has got 4 bedrooms, 2 living areas, 3 bathrooms, 6-car garage, and over 6,000 square meters of land. So, what is in this amazing shipping container project? You can see the house sits on a big lot of land. There's also an additional cottage that can be leased out as a guest unit. The house is built using 6 times 2, that is 12 shipping containers, and it is humongous. This is the general look of the house, beautiful with a black painted exterior. This is a view of the open plan living space with industrial finishes, double staircases joining the gallery on the first floor level of the house. This is a closer view of the dining table and the dual single flight staircases in the background. This is a closer view of the dual staircases that link to the 2 wings of the amazing shipping container house. This is a closer view of the kitchen and the dining with this big sliding glass window. This is a closer view of the kitchen showing the breakfast bar. You will notice the black theme is also running on the inside as much as is also employed on the outside of the house. This is a closer view of the lounge area. You notice that big flat screen TV right there, exposed shipping container, ceilings to just bring out the industrial theme of the design. This is a closer view of another lounge space. I like this fireplace to enhance indoor thermal comfort and the exposed corrugated container walls and ceilings throughout. This is a closer view of the lounge. Come again. This is a closer view of the dining and the kitchen breakfast bar. This is a view of one of the bedrooms in the house, and it has a direct access onto a private balcony with a beautiful view of the pond beyond. This is a view of the master suite with the master bathroom. A closer view of the guest wing that can be rented out as an Airbnb, which is an additional house on the property. Beautiful view from the guest unit overlooking those amazing views. This is the general view of the property with the main house and the 6-car garage. From the look of things, you will appreciate that the neighborhood and the site plan of this amazing residence is just awesome. Look at those beautiful terraced farms. Would you buy this amazing house for the listing price? Give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. If you are planning to build your own shipping container house, do not start from scratch. We have put together an amazing shipping container building guide that covers everything you need to know about how to build a shipping container house. Feel free to check it out and download free chapters of the book using the link below. If you like what you read, you can grab your own copy and start building. This guidebook includes over 300 pages of expert tips, step-by-step instructions, real examples, full color pictures, and professional illustrations structured into 14 detailed chapters. Inside the book, you'll find a free bonus, a floor plan of our most popular design, a real-world case study, and a checklist to plan your building costs. Download 2 free chapters of the book now. Grab your copy today using the link in the description below and start building. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us via email using info@sheltermode.com. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.